Here in this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, we have gathered together to have a market analysis. So we are analyzing the forms of market present around us. Edson stands still. It has the suffering of post-COVID-19 effect. Essential supply is all there. So all what scenario is going in market? What type of market around us? What is the identical features of market? We will going to analyze it. So warmly welcome you a new learning session of forms of market. So let's get together to have an introduction for the market where buyer meets seller, where producer
Of various types. Weekly market, any shop in your neighborhood, or a supermarket, or it could be a chain of departmental store or shopping complexes. Market can be of a monopoly, market can be of your perfect competition, or monopolistic oligopoly. Market has a wide accessibility, but in pandemic COVID-19 spread, market is just one word which marked you with lockdown. Your roads are empty, vacant, your customer is missing, and your policeman is on duty, and COVID-19 lockdown announced. Vacant roads, lack of customer, low demand, every cycle is disturbed in the phases of your investment and your emerging opportunity of earning. Now witness what is market. Market, a place where buyer and seller are involved in purchase and sale of goods. Market means connectivity between your producer and the consumer. It is a connectivity chain of manufacturing goods to reach the ultimate user. And market even marks you with the word profit earning. It varies and depends on the type of investment made by the seller and what is the buying capacity of the client. At present, in recent scenario of outbreak of COVID-19, online market, online accessibility, digital delivery of orders, and home delivery of product is accessible. So I am talking about modern days market forms. For buying and selling of commodities, individuals meet each other. They need connectivity. It could be a physical location or electronic platform. It could be one interaction point where buyer and seller have to meet in various situations. And it could be a village chalk or a weekly market around us, which is now not going to happen very soon due to the COVID-19 outbreak. But a supermarket or a bazaar in city or any agriculture market has accessibility. Otherwise, online digital market has a full potential to deliver you everything. So now we were going to discuss the market structure. मार्केट एक ऐसी जगह जहां पर नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स ऑपरेट होती हैं, एक इंडस्ट्री की, वहां पर एक कंपटीशन है जिसमें नेचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट सेल होते हैं. मार्केट आर क्लासिफाइड ऑन नंबर ऑफ बेसिस. नंबर वन, नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स एंड बायर्स. नेचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, एक्नॉलेजिंग द मार्केट एंड इट्स प्रोडक्ट. फॉर द कस्टमर, nature and the competition among the sellers. And on the grounds, the market is divided into several forms. The first form says monopoly. Monopoly. Mono means single and poly means seller, and it is a word of Greek language which marks you with the extreme form of market where single individual seller or single individual firm or a government operates. Monopoly is a form of market organization for a commodity where you do not have competition. And the best example of monopoly is your railway in India. Monopoly, just one supplier, no competition. Complete control over price and very difficult accessibility to enter into the territory of a monopoly. You will mark best example in India for the monopoly is the government control of railway. Railway completely function as per the orders of government. In COVID-19 spread, trains were suspended under the lockdown. Then railway announced the cancellation of your reservation. Ultimately, you will find state-owned railway company of India is Indian Railway, one of the largest, busiest railway network. But there is few development took place as FDI is start investing in railway in the form of bullet trains, high-speed trains, and hereby I am sharing the reports with you. Indian Railway, the busiest network of the world, is now going to be transformed with the high-speed train for India. The deadline was advanced. The deadline was advanced to have the bullet train, and its first destination run will be on 15th August 2022 on the occasion of India's 75th Independence Day. And the destination will be Ahmedabad to Mumbai, Mumbai to Ahmedabad. And one of the picture which I have shared with you is bullet train, and the government of the country have signed an MOU with Japan, and the gradually reopening of railway have been announced in the pandemic COVID-19. So I have shared one media report.
जैसे देश भर में जारी लॉकडाउन खत्म हो रहा है, अनलॉक 1 के बाद सरकारें अनलॉक 2 के लिए तैयारी में जुट गई हैं। इस बीच रेलवे ने 12 अगस्त तक सभी ट्रेनों पर रोक लगा दी है। इस दौरान सिर्फ स्पेशल ट्रेनों के लिए ही चलने की इजाजत होगी।
कोरोना ने फिर थामी ट्रेनों की रफ्तार, कैंसिल होगी सभी रेगुलर ट्रेनें, सिर्फ स्पेशल ट्रेनों में सफर की इजाजत। देश में कोरोना संक्रमण की वजह से लगाए गए लॉकडाउन की वजह से ट्रेनों के पहिए थम गए थे, लेकिन लोगों की परेशानी को देखते हुए सरकार ने सख्त नियमों के साथ ट्रेनों की आवाजाही को इजाजत दे दी थी। श्रमिक स्पेशल ट्रेनें चलाई गई और तमाम दूसरी गाड़ियां भी पटरियों पर लौट आई। लेकिन जिस तरह पूरे देश में कोरोना के मरीजों की तादाद में इजाफा हो रहा है, उसे देखते हुए रेलवे ने एक बार फिर 12 अगस्त तक नियमित रूप से चलने वाली सभी मेल, एक्सप्रेस, यात्री और उपनगरीय सेवाओं को रद्द करने का फैसला लिया है। हालांकि इस पाबंदी के बीच स्पेशल ट्रेनें पहले की तरह चलती रहेंगी। वहीं मुंबई में आवश्यक सेवाओं में लगे लोगों को लाने और ले जाने के लिए शुरू की गई ट्रेन भी जारी रहेंगी। दरअसल कोरोना के बढ़ते मामलों को देखते हुए इंडियन रेलवे ने नियमित ट्रेनों के लिए 14 अप्रैल या उससे पहले बुक किए गए सभी टिकटों को रद्द करने का फैसला किया है। रेलवे इस दौरान बुक किए गए सभी टिकटों का पूरा रिफंड देगा। कोरोना वायरस के संक्रमण को रोकने के लिए रेलवे ने पैसेंजर मेल और एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन सर्विस को पूरी तरह सस्पेंड कर दिया था। इसके बाद 14 मई को रेलवे ने सभी पुराने रिजर्वेशन को भी रद्द कर दिया था। हालांकि प्रवासी मजदूरों की परेशानी को देखते हुए सरकार ने श्रमिक स्पेशल ट्रेनों को चलाने की इजाजत दी और लाखों प्रवासी मजदूरों को उनके घर तक पहुंचाया गया। लेकिन अब रेलवे सिर्फ 230 स्पेशल ट्रेनों का संचालन कर रहा है। दरअसल तमाम कोशिशों के बावजूद कोरोना के मामले कम होने का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं। रेलवे की सबसे बड़ी परेशानी दिल्ली और मुंबई में कोरोना के बढ़ते मरीजों को लेकर है, क्योंकि इन्हीं दो जगहों से सबसे ज्यादा यात्री सफर करते हैं। और इसी को देखते हुए रेलवे ने एक बार फिर ट्रेनों के पहियों की रफ्तार को थामने का फैसला किया है। टी न्यूज नेशन।
Monopoly, single seller. The first feature of monopoly, which makes it an imperfect market structure. Imperfect market structure because one seller and many buyers. The firm may be owned by an individual or could be a joint venture or could be number of partners, but its identification says that it eliminates the identity between firm and industry. It just shows you one man show complete dominance as the monopolist firm is the industry itself. Complete dominance as there is large number of buyers but the seller is a single individual. No reaction of buyer can influence price. Monopoly, सिर्फ one man show, which marks you complete identity of your industry. There is only single seller, and what it implies? It implies that the full control over market price. You completely have wide range of your market price and market supply. No buyer influence found in this kind of market. The firm is price maker and complete dominance exists in the market. The next feature of monopoly market talk about is no close substitute. single producer, single commodity seller, no close substitute, is just means to say liberty to excel its benefit with a price change and fluctuation. Monopoly coexists only with individual seller. There is lack of competition. A firm said to be the single seller and supplier of the product. Under monopoly, there is no functioning of price of related goods, which says cross elasticity. The third one feature of the monopoly market is strong barrier to entry into the industry exists. You couldn't enter in this industry if there is monopoly, because new firms are not allowed to enter here, as feature of competition is purely missing among the producers. The same product cannot be sold in the market. This is rigid system of market. One structure which marks you complete show and dominance of an individual firm, seller or a supplier. It has an absolute control over production to sale of the commodity. Price discrimination is identified as the next feature because it varies on the basis of profit. जो प्राइस है वो प्रॉफिट के फ्लक्चुएशन में चेंज होगा एज पर द कस्टमर ऑफ द कमोडिटी. This policy is known as price discrimination because it gets several bases for the deciding factors. Charging different price from different customer or fixing different price at different places is there in monopoly. Monopoly have just a view of profit. एक प्रॉफिट अर्निंग की मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर है मोनोपोली, which marks you different price as per the customer and places. So there is price discrimination. Now the firm is price maker. This is imperfect market organization, so there is no difference between industry and firm. The person control and dominate the market is single seller or a supplier. Absence of competition, वहाँ पर competition नहीं है. Strong barrier है to make an entry. You couldn't sell same product, so there is complete control over supply of the commodity. So ultimately the price will lie as per the condition of the seller and supplier. Buyer couldn't influence it with its demand. Complete monopoly shows dominance of price maker, as there is no link between firm and industry. It's same individual, one person, which marks you the identity and example of imperfect form of market organization. एक व्यक्ति की वजह से मार्केट का आपकी कंट्रोल होना उसके हाथ में कहलाता है मोनोपोली. बट मोनोपोली एंड डिमांड कर्व इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. मोनोपोली individual of the market can only sell his more output if he will going to lower the price. Otherwise, customer will not get influenced with its price. So, demand curve is downward sloping, which shows you that your sale increases if you will going to mark your lower prices. Because if you will reduce prices, that will attract demand. And this marks you with the curve which is in front of you, where AR and MR is following and quantity and price is shown. You will take y-axis revenue and x-axis your output. Why monopoly exists and how it came in emergence. So intellectual property protection right came in existence as patents and copyrights are issued to have one of the property protection to the firm, and this marks you with the emergence of monopoly. Government also do the licensing of monopoly. Intellectual property protection right, which provides you patent rights and copyrights, which marks you as one of the way to create monopoly. Here government provides you exclusive right to produce a new product for the specific length of a time. in which temporary monopoly is found in the market with the regard of new products and service innovation and invention. Even government licensing. It means to say that firm can enter into industry by the permission of your government and can have to maintain the minimum standards of competency. Not granting license to new firm government aims to operate with one firm in the market. This is also called market, a place or a connectivity between producer and consumer. Industry 4.0 couldn't have a standstill image because the market do not have a question of physical presence, it's just have a digital platform in the suffering. Connectivity couldn't break even in the pandemic because the essential supplies was there. Market was under lockdown, but phases are open within the specific duration. So the market is a place of consumer and buyer and seller and supplier. So hereby saying thank you for visiting for today's session. See you again soon.